This tutorial will show you how to access the geometry assessments found on CPM's website. So start by opening your browser. Let's type in ebooks.cpm.org. Select geometry, and in the bottom right hand corner you should see CPM assessment. Let's click on that. Now let's look at the top to the right, download sample test. On the left hand side you should see a list of the courses. You want to make sure you select Core Connections Geometry. So Core Connections Geometry. Now you'll see a list of chapters with assessments, either team or individual. So let's download an individual test for chapter 1. You have either the PDF version or the Word version. Here is chapter 1, individual. Now, if you want to see the answers, then we go back and click on answer sheets, download. Once the file opens, you have your answers.